The idea was to make a small preview how these cleats are mounted. So basically this cleat will come through the deck roughly around here. I have made some markings, and in order to do so there was also a question of how strong this whole area is in order to take all the load and all the pressure. I've made some reinforcement in this area, plates, which will come from the other side of the cleat. So once this is mounted, it will basically come from both sides, like this. And to make it waterproof as well, we got this guy, which is some kind of paste, which basically hardens over time a bit, but it still keeps its plasticity, and it makes the whole openings and everything watertight. This works very well. I have already tried it several times. Inside of the box I have layered some six layers, I think, of fiberglass. Here is the area where the metal cleat will be fixed, basically like this, with the counterplate. So let's do that. Let's make some holes in the boat. So after I drilled these holes, I will now clean and prep all this area for installation of the cleats. I think it will be much better if the holes are actually a bit bigger than these screws, so they fit in nicely, but so there is no tension on the screw itself from the side. And so only the pressure will hold the cleat in place. And so I'll make the holes a bit bigger. Yeah. This is a nice fit. This is okay. Well, that's it. That's it.